Hi, welcome back. Let's have to change the conversations layout in the Siri app in macOS 27 Golden Gate. The new Siri app in macOS 27 Golden Gate offers a cleaner, more personalized experience, and one of its most useful customization options is the ability to change the conversation layout. So whether you prefer a layout that displays more information at once or one that's easier to read during long chats, adjusting the conversation view can make your interactions with Siri more comfortable and efficient. If you frequently use Siri for everyday tasks, brainstorming ideas, or managing your workflow, customizing the conversation layout can significantly enhance your overall experience. That's it. Let's get started. So first you have to launch the Siri app on your Mac, and then you have to hit the menu button located at the top right corner of the screen. After that, you have to choose grid or the list view in the menu, and that's about it. Changing the conversations layout in the C app is a simple way to personalize your experience on a Mac. If you prefer seeing multiple conversations at a glance, the grid view offers modern visual layout that's ideal for quickly browsing and accessing recent chats. On the other hand, the list view presents your conversations in a clean, vertical format, making it easier to scan through longer chats histories and find specific conversations efficiently. Since you can switch between these two layers at any time, feel free to try both and choose the one that best suits your workflow and viewing preference. And I'll catch you up in the next one.